how to use eBay watch list feature in 2026. It's like very easy. All you need to do is get in your eBay, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, simply select the exact item you want to add it on your watch list, right? So let's just go down, and in here I want let's say I want this particular shoe right here, right? So what I'm going to do in order to add it to my watch list is simply go like scroll down a bit. You'll be able to see add to watch list. So simply tap on it and it has now successfully been added to your watch list. So in order to view it later, what you're going to do is simply get back, and then from there what you can do is simply tap on my eBay right here, and if you go up here you'll be able to see watch list. Tap on that one. Here you can see this is the exact item that we previously added on watch list. So yeah, this is it. That is exactly how you'll be able to use your watch list feature in 2026 on eBay. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that is it for the video.